Fairfax County was recognized this year for the 31st time as a Tree City USA. What that means for the county is that we've been able to meet the standards that the National Arbor Day Foundation has put forth for the Tree City USA recognition program. The Tree City USA program, especially with the longevity that we've already had, it will continue to promote sustainable urban forest management in our community. And over time, as we continue to move forward with that, people will be able to see that we're recognized over and over again, and that shows that we have a solid commitment to maintaining a sustainable urban forest. Trees are important in Fairfax County, as with the rest of the nation, for their social, economic, and environmental benefits. They provide shade for people, they provide stormwater runoff protection, and they also provide us with oxygen to breathe, and they also provide us with filtration for erosion and sediment control. Not only do they provide environmental benefits such as the root systems holding the ground in place, but they also provide us with a very aesthetic beauty with their leaves and their form and the flowering that they do. It's very important to me to be recognized because it shows our initiative to having a sustainable urban forest. It shows our commitment to not just ourselves but our community and the nation to having an urban forest that's well managed and well maintained, not just for now but also for our future.